Hi, I'm David, and today I'm going to show you how to roast a duck. First of all, let's go through the ingredients. You're going to need a nice plump duck of about 2 kilos, that's 4.5 pounds roughly. And then these are the ingredients for your boiling marinade. Let me just go through it with you. So you need half a dozen cloves of garlic that you've bashed. Just bash those. Throw them into 2 pints of water. Throw in your garlic first. Then you've got 4 pieces of star anise. Lovely smell. Put your star anise in. Then you've got half a dozen bay leaves. Crunch these up in your hand. Crunch the bay leaves up to start getting the flavour out of them. Drop those in. Then you have 2 teaspoonfuls of salt. Throw in your salt. And a teaspoon of yellow food colouring. This is the Spanish one we use for paellas. It works very well. Throw that in. And just for an added little depth of colour, it doesn't add any flavour, but it adds nice colour. We've got some red food colouring here, so just give a splash of the red food colouring into that. Then we get a little whisker and we whisk everything out together. Now I'm going to put this on the heat and bring it up to the boil. Just bring it up to the boil, put the cover on, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Right, when your marinade's boiling, you can prepare your duck. First of all, take the wing joints, cut them off, just add, leaving that one little bone on there, and discard the rest of that. Do that on the other side as well. Just discard those. Turn the bird over. Make 2 cuts along the underside of the rib cage here. Just like that. And this will allow fat to run out while the bird's cooking. So we'll just close her up now. Put the parson's nose here inside the bird and take these flaps of skin and close those up, finishing it with a wooden skewer. Nice and tight, see there. Turn it over and take the flap of neck skin here, pull it down and just secure that with another wooden skewer. This is the part I really enjoy. Your boiling marinade, boiling away there nicely. Just start ladling it over the duck. And you can see how the skin contracts as the boiling liquid hits it. And this is what's going to release all that fat when you roast the duck in the oven. When you've finished pouring your marinade over, just hang your duck off its hook, leaving a nice glass bowl or something like that underneath to catch any drips. There you go. And just let that hang there for 2 or 3 hours until it's dried out nicely. When your duck is completely dry, put it on a rack over a large roasting tray. Take your hook out. Now, put a litre hot water into your roasting tray and place it in a preheated oven, 200 degrees centigrade, that's 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a very hot fan oven, so I set it at about 180. Let that roast for approximately 1.5 hours. Check it after an hour just to see how it's going. Here it is. Just look at this, folks. Absolutely perfect roast duck. Look at that crispy skin. Absolutely fabulous. Crispy roasted duck with our own special sticky Andalucian orange sauce. Just look at that. Fabuloso!